Hello guys, I'm Endarina Sukmawati from English Literature. Today I would like to read the question and the answer from dialogue A, B, and C. First, dialogue A. 1. Describe the speaker's relationship. What forms of address do they use? Dr. Hampton is the chairman and Gretchen is a student who just finished his dissertation. They use formal cause Gretchen used title plus last name for Dr. Hampton. 2. Where does the conversation take place? What is the topic of conversation? In the chairman's room, Gretchen would like to invite Dr. Hampton for dinner in celebration of the completion of her dissertation. And 3. How does Gretchen introduce the invitation? Why is she being so flexible about the time in her invitation? Gretchen invited Dr. Hampton by explaining also what event it is holding, because she wants to have a fun dinner without having to burden the guests with his invitation, time, and can chat while drinking wine before dinner. And 4. What kind of gathering is it going to be? Is anyone besides Dr. and Mrs. Hampton going to be invited? It's likely informal gathering. There is Alan, and some people come for dinner. 5. What is the function of line 24 until 26? Dr. Hampton wants Gretchen to call him Henry. 6. What do you think the guests will be wearing to the dinner party? I think they wear neat and polite clothes such as dress or suits, maybe. 7. How formal is this dialogue? The dialogue is more formal. It's more formal. Okay, the next is dialogue B. Who calls home on the telephone? Why? Don calls Tom. Don wants to take Tom to go bowling and ask him to drive it. 2. What kind of invitation is there? Informal invitation. Invitation to play bowling together. 3. How does Tom react to the invitation? What is his reply? Tom refusing the invitation. Okay. Tom said, well, it sounds like fun, but actually I've really got a lot of homework to do just now. 4. How does Don feel at the end of the conversation? Don doesn't want Tom to feel sorry for him by telling Tom not to worry about him. 5. What is the level of formality in this conversation? More formal. And the last is dialogue C. 1. Why does Katie call David? Katie wants to invite David and Shirley to dinner at her house. 2. What form of address do the participants use? Formal, because they use full first name. 3. Notice that Katie does not identify herself. What could explain this? When on the phone, Katie didn't introduce herself, but even David already knew who the caller was. 4. What can you say about David's attitude toward Katie in lines 6 until 8? How eager is he to accept an invitation from Katie? David was confused about the meaning of the question until he finally asked the purpose of Katie's question. 5. What is the result of the invitation? David hasn't given a definite answer yet. He's just going to tell Katie tonight. Okay, I think it's enough. This is my answer, and I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.